बायजूस की अनपैकिंग करने वाले हैं। ये बायजूस का कहानी के लिए है। Now let's see what's inside. Oh wow!
Oh wow, it's so beautiful bag. Bhaiya, what is in this bag?
Let's see.
What is this?
This is a learn station for you.
Yay! I'm so excited to see this.
This is all what we have in this packet.
Bhaiya, what is this?
Let me check. Okay, it is a Osmo puzzle. Let's see what is this. Okay, these are worksheets. See, Kehani?
Wow!
Now let's open the lunch station.
Let's open it, Bhaiya.
Yes. So here we go. Here. Take this out. Here. Oh my God! See, Kehani, your device.
Wow!
Now let's see where's the power button. Okay, it's over here. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is how we can start our device.
Oh!
And here is the charger.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Now let's see what's in this box.
Okay.
Okay, let's open it. Wow! This is activation code.
Wow, I love it.
This is sticker booklet.
I love tickets. Wow, incredible.
And this is also another sticker booklet.
I love music.
Oh wow, there's Elsa.
Is it incredible?
And a McQueen car.
Wow, is it incredible too?
And a badge.
For me?
Yes.
Thank you, Bhaiya.
Yani, from now onwards, we will study.
Yes, Bhaiya.
We love
Thank
Byju.
you. And I love